Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to unlock your iPhone if you forgot the passcode and your screen is showing iPhone unavailable and sometimes even a timer. So this method that I'm going to show you in this video, it is compatible with all the iPhones, iPads and iPods. So if you have latest iPhone or the oldest classic iPhones, so don't worry about that because this is a universal method compatible with all the devices of Apple. So if you're stuck on that screen and you cannot access your device, don't worry, there is a very simple and effective method to fix this. And yes, this method also works if your device is disabled. So let's get started. Now, there are two main ways to fix this. One method is using iTunes, but honestly, iTunes can be complicated. It often gives errors, it's slow, and sometimes the restore process fails. So instead of using iTunes, today I'll be using a much easier tool called iMovie AnyUnlock. This software makes the whole process simple and beginner friendly. And not only that, it also helps with unlocking Apple ID, removing screen passcode, removing iCloud activation lock, removing iTunes backup encryption, removing screen time passcode, removing SIM lock. So it's a basically, an all-in-one iPhone unlocking toolkit. So let's get started now. Here's what you need to do. First, you will need a computer for this method. This cannot be done without a computer actually. Open your laptop or desktop, go to your browser. In the video description below, you will find the download link. Click that link, download the software and install it on your computer. So once installed, open the software. So when you open AnyUnlock, you will see multiple features. For this tutorial, we'll click on unlock screen passcode, but you can check it out other features as well if you need, like unlocking Apple ID, screen passcode, activation lock screen, MDM lock, iTunes backup encryption, screen time passcode, SIM lock, and much more. So now let's tap on the unlock screen passcode. After clicking that, it will ask you to connect your iPhone. Now take a good quality USB cable, connect your iPhone to your computer, make sure the cable is working properly, your iPhone shows the charging sign, so your computer detects the device. This confirms your iPhone is successfully connected. Also make sure your computer is connected to the internet. The internet must stay on during the whole process. Now we need to put the iPhone into the recovery mode. The software will show instructions on the screen based on your device model. Different iPhones have different button combinations to put it into the recovery mode. So you need to select your iPhone model from here. Just like I have iPhone 17 Pro Max, so I'm going to be following this method which is showing iPhone 8 and later devices. So the method is pretty much easy. So press and quickly release volume up button, volume down button, then press and hold the power button. Keep holding it until you see the recovery mode screen, the cable and computer icon. Then release the button. If you're using iPhone 7 or 7 Plus, the method is slightly different. So just select your device model inside the software and follow the on-screen instructions. Now the next step is, once your device is in recovery mode, click on download inside the software. It will download the latest firmware IPSW file for your device. This may take a few minutes depending on your internet speed because it will going to download a large firmware file. So do not disconnect your phone during this process. After the firmware finishes downloading, the software will automatically start the unlocking process. Your iPhone will begin restoring. This means your iPhone passcode will be removed, the iPhone unavailable screen or disabled screen will disappear. So just wait patiently. Your iPhone may restart multiple times during this process, and after a few minutes, your iPhone will show hello screen, just like a brand new iPhone. So your passcode is completely removed now. So let me tell you the important thing. This process will completely erase all of your data from your device. There is absolutely no way to retain your data while the phone is locked on the iPhone unavailable screen. So please understand this clearly. If your device is locked and you don't have a backup, your data cannot be recovered. That's why it's always important to keep regular backups using iCloud or a computer. If you already have a backup, don't worry, you can restore everything during setup. Now, how to restore your data? While setting up the iPhone, now when you reach the apps and data screen, you will see multiple options like restore from iCloud backup, restore from Mac or PC, transfer directly from another iPhone, or set up as a new iPhone. If you previously backed up your data to iCloud, choose restore from iCloud backup and sign in with your Apple ID. If you made a backup using a computer, choose restore from Mac or PC and connect your device. If you have another iPhone nearby, you can choose transfer directly from iPhone to move your data wirelessly. Simply select the method that matches your backup and your old data will start restoring. So if you do not have any backup like I do, so set up as a new iPhone. Now, so that's exactly how you unlock your iPhone if you forgot the passcode and it's stuck on the iPhone unavailable screen. Simple process, clean steps, no complicated iTunes errors. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and check the download link in the description below to download the software. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.